Okay, today I want to talk about generate collision shapes, which is this function right here. Generate collision shapes, as we can see by the documentation. Generate collision shapes just makes your entity able to collide, and it has one argument that's passed in recursive. And basically that means if your entity has any descendants with it, do you want those descendants to also have collision? So if you set it to true, then those entities will also be able to collide. As you can see here, this demo by Yuma Soerianto from Anyone Can Code, both the floor and the dice have collision, generate collision shapes. So that's why the dice can interact with the floor. Let me run it real quick. So you can see that the dice collided and has physics with the floor. However, what would happen, we know what would happen if we removed the floor collision, the dice would just pass through. What would happen if we removed the collision of the dice? Let's see. Okay, you can see that the dice just stays suspended over the floor. It's not falling, doesn't seem to want to fall. So I believe what that means is without collision, we may not see motion on this dice. We may not see it falling. We may not be able to move it anywhere. So if I'm wrong about that, let me know in the comments. But that's my demonstration of how generate collision shapes works.